finally I bring him to his favorite place, and that's the kids play area inside the food court of Dubai Mall. That's on the first top level, where you will see a lot of kids.
You need to give with your mom, huh? You will go into that again. Write your kid's name, your sign, mobile number.
I was so curious कि ये वाला जो है ना, this is for big kids. Yeah, you're here. And you know this one, if I show you, this is for toddlers, like a 1 or 2 years old. And you can see the slides. They have designed in a way कि बच्चों को मतलब बहुत scary ना हो, and kids can enjoy, especially like 6 months onwards till 3 years old. So there is another thing here. कि यहाँ से आप यहाँ जाओगे, and there is वहाँ नहीं जा सकती मैं, but yeah, for small kids it's easy to go. And then they have given this. Okay, are you okay?
Yes.
And then मतलब सही की कोई exercise है. You're going with your child inside. Okay. See, there's a red slide. We will do the red slide, okay? But just wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Oh my god. अब अंदाजा होता है कि like how old you are getting, because the kids' energy you cannot compete. And wow, it's very scary. I cannot make a video with this. What happened? I can see him. He wants to go inside, but he's scared, I guess. But no, I think he made it somehow. Come. Yes, come. I can see you. Come in. I think he wants me to come to him. और मैं चाह रही हूँ ये यहाँ आ जाए. Mohammed Isa. Okay, I'm coming. He said help me, means he must be scared. Oh no, he's not scared. He's just playing with me. I caught you. I know you're fooling me around. You stuck? No, you're not stuck. You know how to come out. You know the way. Seriously, it's not an easy thing with kids. अच्छा होता है कि you bring nannies and then they deal with the kids. Okay, this is kind of a, like you have to step in, and it's like a bouncing pillow or पता नहीं क्या. Oh my god, be careful.
Can I try again?
You got hurt, you said, right? Show me your hurt.
I got hurt.
Show, open it. I cannot see, baby. Yeah, you got hurt. See, you have to be very careful, okay, now?
Mommy. And then, Mommy.
Don't put your...
Mommy.
If you're going to put your hands like this, then you will get hurt. Just put it here, okay?
Want to be done?
1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Yeah, this is very nice. ये वाली मुझे बहुत ही खतरनाक सी लगी थी, green वाली. But this is very nice. अच्छा ये काफी I mean they have given these also के report accident immediately, no fighting or bullying. और अभी फिलहाल बच्चे बहुत कम हैं, तो इतना crowd नहीं है. क्योंकि इसमें कुछ 1-2 स्लाइड्स ऐसी भी हैं जो थोड़ी सी मतलब इट्स नॉट फॉर स्मॉल किड्स. सो आई एम जस्ट वरीड कि ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ ये जनाब वहाँ पहुँच जाएं. सी लुक एट हिम, ही इज़ फास्टर देन मी. बट यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी स्लाइड्स अच्छी भी हैं, मतलब गुड फॉर टॉडलर्स लाइक 2 to 3. बट आई थिंक नॉट फॉर 2 years. 3, 4, 5 इज़ गुड onwards. Oh my god, wow! This is the longest slide, सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी दी हुई हैं इन्होंने. You wanna take this slide with mommy? अच्छा, he wants even इससे भी ज़्यादा scary वाली. नहीं, scary नहीं है ये. This is not the slide. This is just एक area दिया हुआ है
Mommy.
हाइट पे जाने का. अच्छा, let's go and have a slide with mommy because he is scared. Let's go. Wait, mommy will also come and then you come. Finally मैं slide तो ले ली but I couldn't capture it because एक तो बहुत dark है जो कि होना नहीं चाहिए था. थोड़ा ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाना चाहिए इस बच्चों के लिहाज से. और मैंने सोचा कि मैं मोबाइल से मारूंगी या आई हैव टू कैरी माई सन एज वेल, दैट्स व्हाई. बट अदर देन दैट इट्स गुड. मोहम्मद ईसा, टेक द स्मॉल स्लाइड्स. देयर आर मोर स्मॉल स्लाइड्स. कम, आई एम गोना शो यू. सी, come this side. Be careful. Come here. Okay, so oh my god, there is no other way. Like ढूंढना भी है because it's kind of a भूल भुलैया. And this is the first time I'm here, so मेरे लिए big experience. I think this is the okay. Through this we will take another slide, okay?
No.
Yes. Not this one, the other one. Let's go to other side, okay?
Other side.
Yeah. Come, I'll show you where. I think I know now. See from here. Woo! Oh my god. After a very long time, I'm into this thing. So, it's a date, lunch date with my boy. And we are having Albek. And this is the toy which he got it from this place. It's a haunted attraction in Dubai Mall. And that's the name, like Hysteria or something like that. I wonder what does it mean. And that's the toy. If you don't know Poppy Playtime, it's one of the character of that. And my son loves all the characters of Poppy Playtime.
Mommy, Poppy Playtime. Oh, it's
And he has all the characters almost, like Cat Time, Huggy Wuggy, oh my god, and I'm going crazy because you cannot get those Poppy Playtime characters everywhere. So you have to go to the specific places to buy such toys. And look at him, what is he doing? You're becoming a character like that. Act like Mohammad Isa now.